In today's video, I will walk you through how to use Texture Splat in Krita. To use Texture Splat, select the Brush tool by pressing B on your keyboard. Then open the Brush Presets docker, usually located on the right side of the Krita interface. In the search box, type Texture Splat. Once the Texture Splat brush preset appears, click it to select the brush preset appears. Click it to select the brush. Next, adjust the brush size from the top toolbar. Increase the size value for a larger texture area, or decrease the size value for smaller and more detailed splat effects. The Texture Splat brush is useful for adding random splatter patterns, rough textures, paint effects, and scattered details. It is a good choice when creating dirty surfaces, abstract textures, backgrounds, or adding more natural details to artwork. Use a larger brush size when applying texture across wider areas, and use a smaller brush size when adding precise splat details. After selecting the Texture Splat brush and adjusting the size, you can start applying splat texture effects to your artwork in Krita. And that's how to use Texture Splat in Krita. Thank you for watching the video.